You've got your oil heating up, but it's not like you're going to stick your finger in there to test the temperature. This is where the end pieces of potato come in really handy. Once you start to think that the oil has gotten hot enough, you can put in one of these end pieces of the potato, which you probably wouldn't want to eat anyway, and see how it's doing. As you can see, the oil has started to heat up, but is not yet quite hot enough for our purposes. So this is great. You have a test piece. You can let it cook and see when it starts really bubbling up, and once it starts bubbling quite well and cooking, then it will be time to stick the rest of the potato pancakes in here. But it's great to have a piece that you can let sit in there and test without ruining any of your wonderful latkes that you are about to make. Our first test piece has successfully fried, and this is what it's going to look like when the oil is hot enough.